If you don't want to crack your brains creating bulk Gmail account, this is the right video for you. In this video, I am going to guide you on how you can create bulk email account for free easily. Alright, no headaches. Right. So make sure you subscribe if you are new to this YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comment at the comment section. Make sure you check my course on Udemy on how you can create SMTP server to send bulk emails. I'll leave the link at the first comment and also at the description. Right, good. So now let's head straight to the video. What we are going to do is that we are going to use free virtual phone numbers or foreign phone numbers, right? We can get those phone numbers in bulk, and we are going to use that phone numbers to create our Gmail account. You know, even though there is a way to bypass the the phone verification, but in this video we want to create in bulk, right? So we want to get phone numbers, right? Foreign phone numbers to do that for us. And I've created a video on how you can get foreign phone numbers. Make sure you check it out. I'll leave it at the description down below. All right, you're going to get like 10 foreign phone numbers. So what we are going to do is I'm going to just click on Gmail over here. Just visited google.com, right? I'm going to click on create an account and I'm going to choose my for personal use, right? Good. All right, so I have to fill in the information, so I'm going to just type in Sasmedia and the last name is Studio, and I'm going to click next, and I'm going to enter date of birth. Any date will do, and I have to choose gender. I am a male, not female, and not a dog. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to choose any of this email. I'm going to click next. So I'm going to paste my password I wrote down. I'm going to click next. All right, so I think this is a new feature by Google. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my QR code to scan the screen, and we are going to do that some procedure from the phone, right? All right, so I use this app, which is QR code barcode. I just going to open it, and I'm just going to click on scan, and I can just see it has been scanned. I'm just going to click on open. The reason why I'm using that app is because my phone doesn't really work when I use the camera to scan. So that's it. So I'm just going to click on view verify. Sorry, verify, not view, verify. So basically they just want to confirm you are a real human. So that's it. Okay, so this is not a big deal. All right, so that is it. And even with that, we were able to bypass phone number verification with this. Okay, so when I just click escape from here, I think the email has already been created. But in case you see your phone number over there, they ask you for phone number verification. It's very simple. Come to this website. I have already created a video on how you can get the number over here. So you choose the number, okay, you just copy the number and you just paste that number over there, and you're going to get your code over here, and you're going to use that code to verify the Gmail, right? So you can see I got mine directly, so I just click next and scroll down and I click on agree, and my Gmail has been created. And even today I've created two Gmail accounts without phone number verification because I followed a right procedure. Okay, you can watch my previous video on how you can create Gmail account without phone number verification. Yes, I laid down all those rules, right? Make sure you go and check those videos out. If you want to learn how you can create SMTP server that can send bulk emails, then I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description, and also the first comment. Make sure you go and check that course out, right? It's very, very important. Make sure you subscribe and check out a lot of other content from this channel. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.